The Factory Delivery Program is a program that we created for customers to come take delivery of their Zephyr here at the factory with our product experts and our team. They're able to come in, sit down with our team, go over every single feature and functionality of the coach. And it's not just a period of time where they get to spend a couple hours with us going over their coach. They get to spend 2 to 3 days with us here at the factory, get to really know the why behind the features and functionalities of the coach, not just the what behind it.
I'm Bryan Sharp, and we come to Red Bay to pick up our new 24 Zephyr. If I'm buying a new vehicle, I like the idea of putting the first few hundred miles on it. I know for delivery, if you take it, we're all the way in Arizona, so somebody will spend 2 or 3 or 4 days on it, traveling several thousand miles to get to Arizona, so I didn't want it to be used when I got there.
This experience down here has been so different than when we took our 16, and I mean, this is day one, and there's already been a bunch of questions that we had unanswered that they were able to answer them here.
The purpose behind the Factory Delivery Program all comes from one of our core values here at Tiffin, which is being customer driven. So the biggest thing we want our customers to be able to experience is the red carpet treatment of taking delivery of one of these coaches, where they get to come to the factory, spend a couple days here with us, get to really see the making of the coach, see how we manufacture the coach as a whole, but then also get to spend 2 to 3 days with our product experts, go over the coach, and then have a clear understanding of the product as a whole before they take it home.
We come for a tour here a few weeks ago, and all the people and the hospitality, and they truly care about what you think and what you do, and they believe in their product, and it shows in the quality of the stuff that they put out. So
absolutely, everybody's been so friendly, and with any questions that they're there. If they don't know the answer, they'll find the answer, and that's important to us.